Here are some quick tips to help you get the most out of your dishwasher. If you find it's not cleaning properly, give your plates a rinse to remove food before putting them in the basket. Make sure you also load it correctly to avoid damage to your crockery and glassware. This can include you manually adjusting the height of the baskets, which is simple to do. The arms need to spin, so check that nothing is obstructing them. If you overload your machine, instead of stacking your dishes correctly, you are not getting the most from your dishwasher.